Craft beer zombie in slow-mo.
Tested out the slow motion features on the Sony FS5 MK2 at 8thwonder Brewery in downtown Houston this week. Yes, I am moving. That is what 960 frames looks like. Let's speed it up. The video quality at this frame rate is really grainy. Let's see what happens when we cut that frame rate in half. Now I think this is 480 frames per second. Video quality is really good. Slow motion is really smooth. I still think it's a little too slow for the type of work that I do. So let's see what it looks like at 240 frames per second. So this is 240 frames per second, and yeah, it's pretty good. Nice, smooth. Got the crazy eyes going here, yeah. Refreshing. Yep. Yeah, 240 looks pretty sweet. Not too slow, not too fast. See, you can really tell that I'm really refreshed here. Yep. Captured that. Right there. There it is. Totally refreshed in slow-mo. Now this camera also has a feature of digitally zooming into the image, like right here, without loss of quality when you do that, which I don't understand how that works. But there you have it. Product shot of 8thwonder's Procrastinator Session IPA. They call it their official beer of doing nothing. It comes in at 4.5 ABV, 40 IBU. Definitely a nice session IPA. That'll do it for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified as soon as I post a video. And hey guys, thanks for watching.